Assalamu alaikum kids, welcome to my Kids Wonder Hub. Kids, are you ready to learn phonics sound? Let's learn and have some fun. A says apple and alligator. B says ball, butterfly, banana. C says cat, car, cake. D says dog, ducks, drum. E says elephant, egg, eagle. S says fish, fox, frog. G says goat, grapes, giraffe. H says horse, hat, house. I says ice cream, igloo, insect. J says juice, jellyfish, jacket. K says kite, kangaroo, key. L says lime, lemon, leaf. M says mango, monkey, moon. Wow, great job kids. See you in the next part. Allah Hafiz.